Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sai, and today we're playing Doors, and yes, we're playing the hotel Doors, I guess. Okay, we're gonna go. Gotta crouch. Get up. Get the key. Let's go. So I'm just opening it. But none of what? Wait, okay. Okay, let's go. Bro, this is a dark room. I hate the dark rooms. You have to hide? No, we don't have to hide. Okay, let's go. Okay, so I'm just following them right now. No, where? Bro, they're fast. Guys, wait for me. Like, I'm gonna go fastly. Okay, they're not hiding into. Like, when they're about to hide, I'm gonna go hide too. Cause like, I can't understand at all whenever the lights blink for some reason. Okay, it's 7 now. Now we're in 8. Oh, no, not here. Okay, we're gonna go in this one. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna be doing more for gaming videos if you like them. So bro, they run fast. Is, no, but I get confused with the flashing. Oh yeah, they're gonna get the guys, come on. Can you do that, please? Thank you so much. Okay, the bus stop in the door now. So I'm just following him because I haven't. Okay, now we're in 13. We're going up. Oh my god, I got scared. Oh my god. It seems like you're having trouble with Rush. Blah blah blah. When the lights will only flicker and that's me. Okay, yeah, thank you. Like I already know. Okay, whenever this happens, find a hiding spot. Like I didn't even know the lights even blinked. All my teammates were going up, so I just followed them. But they hid it. Why? Bro, how could they hide without me? Okay, sorry, I'm not gonna leave. I'm gonna play a new match. Going right back to the lobby. Cause I just got bombarded by Rush again. But really, I don't like Rush at all. Okay, anyways. I actually didn't know at all the hype about it. So, how is this 1 out of 4? The guys in the oh yeah, I'll go here. I think the 2 people there clearly. Okay, we'll go in this one. It's perfect. We have 3 people now. Whoa, my god. Okay. So, are you gonna join? Someone join us? Yes. Okay, let's go. Okay, now I'm gonna play this I'm gonna try to do this on my own solo. Okay, not solo, like with those people. I don't know them. So, yeah. Okay, let's get it. Okay. Gotta wait for some time. So, we're gonna be there. Okay. What do you mean waiting for players? Confirm. Locked it. No. I don't know how to do that. No, I'm on the shop. 11, 10, 9, 8. Anything from down? No. I don't want anything. Okay, let's go. Ding. Yeah, I got guys. I have to. Can you guys go there, please? I don't have the crouch button for some reason. Hold it. Good job. Let's go. But I don't like the dark rooms at all. Like, the dark rooms make it even more scarier for some reason. 4, 5. That's door number 5. And this is 6. This is gonna be the last game which I'm gonna play. So I better do this good. Okay, 7. But this is, we came here fast. Oh no. Oh no 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 no. Like last time me and my friends were all playing together, and then literally, oh my god, what am I doing? Literally last time, I can't see anything. I don't know where I'm going. I'm scratched. Okay. Where are you guys now? Where are we going now? So like, what do you do here? Bruh, I don't understand this level. Anyways, guys, if you want me, yeah. Oh my god, someone broke open the door without me. Okay, everyone's searching now. Bro, I hate these. Which door am I searching for? 9. You guys got the key now? Yes, got it. Yes, we got the key. We got the key. We did got the key. But like, I've got it. That's all. Rumpy, Yahtzee. Okay. Bro, they're experienced. Not like me. Just playing this game. Anyway, so. Oh no, what? Guys, you guys left me here? Yeah, I see how it is. You guys are... out. Screech. Ah. Yeah, I just wanted to do it. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I know this was... I'll try to beat this game next time. I have to go get to door 100. So thank you so much. I'll be playing another game later. Thank you. Bye.